Assalamualaikum. This is Mark. Ismail. Oh, mashallah. So you are fishing here every Friday? Only Al-Yawm. You are from where? Palestine. Wow. So you are living here in Saudi Arabia? With whom? Mama, Baba? This one, what? The little one, what is your name? Alina. Huh? Ismail, Alina. And this one, what's the name? Omar. You will see yourself in YouTube.
Here we find some baby crabs on the rocks underwater. Because the water is very clear, you cannot see if there is water. So these rocks are underwater and we can see some baby crabs. See, they are crawling, they are on the rocks here underwater. Look, there is one here, one baby crab on this big rock. And this one, you can see, oh, there is a small fish. You can see he is eating the sands.
Bayan, anong pangalan nyo? Ben. Taga saan po kayo? Shout out sa mga taga Ormoc dyan. Saan nga yung Ormoc?
Sa Leyte.
Leyte. Matagal na po kayo rito. Ako 9 months pa lang halos. Lagi po kayo rito sa Corniche namimingwit. Libangan ano. Tapos pag may huli pa, sarap, sariwa yung ulam. Pero taon-taon po kayo umuwi? Bakasyon?
Oo.
Hindi kayo nakauwi? After ng pandemic nakauwi kayo? Parang ako, 4 na taon bago nakauwi. This year lang ako nakauwi mula 2018. Oo. May babayaran ka pa sa ano, no? Ayan, ano pangalan mo ulit, kabayan? Ben ano po? Ben. Innocentes ng Ormoc. Ayan po, bagong kaibigan natin dito sa Corniche. Shoutout sa mga taga Ormoc. Maraming salamat po. We are going home now to take our breakfast. And we finished our jogging also. Short jog for today. Our content we will post it later in YouTube. So I hope you are having a great time, guys, and I'll see you next time. This is Prince Turkey Street, which is very close to or next to Corniche. There you go, you can see Corniche. And you can see Prince Turkey Street. This is the way from Ramania Center. And this is the opposite side of Prince Turkey Street. We are crossing the street now here. We'll go to the other side. Okay, it's free. You will see there is a camera for overspeeding cars. Sultan Lounge and Cafe. So the road is empty. We can cross now. We are now walking along 19th Street. From behind, that is coming from Corniche. So we are walking to the Kabayan store to buy some stuff for our breakfast. And then we will go direct to our staff housing to take shower and our breakfast. And of course, to my friend and colleague before, he worked with me in holiday in Jeddah Al Salam. He worked in the F&B department in the restaurant as a waiter. And also he worked with me during the pandemic in aged care when I was assigned as in charge of the health club, massage, Moroccan bath, and swimming pool of holiday in Jeddah Al Salam. So shout out to Fritz Dian Michong and his family out there in Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City in the Philippines. Bro, kamusta ka na dyan? How are you, bro? Hope to see you when I go home for vacation. See you, Fritz, and thank you. Thank you for the support. So finally, we reached home, guys, and we'll take a short rest and then take our shower, and after that we'll take our breakfast. So I need to rehydrate with this fresh milk from Almarai. Very refreshing. So thank you for joining me, guys, and I hope to see you in my next videos. And for those who are new in my channel, please subscribe if you like my videos so that you can watch my future videos, and please like, share, and comment below. Take care, guys, and thank you so much. See you next time. Bye. Bye.